Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. All right, so we got a new stand right now. We're still putting it together. If you guys can see it, Vaydeer. We're gonna put it together right now, but let me talk a little bit about it first. So this is gonna be for this monitor. It's gonna pick up the monitor. It's gonna have some slack in the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and put it together right now, finish it out. This is the great thing. This is where you actually charge your phone, and we're gonna take you to guys to the side of it. If you guys can see it as 3.0, they give you 1, 2, 3, 4 of them actually. So not bad. You do have to plug this in so it can power it up. This is a charging cable, nothing else. You don't plug anything in. It tells you right here, charging cable for phones. So if you don't want to do wireless, you want to plug it directly. This is type C, pretty much for droids and the new iPhones that are coming out, iPads and stuff like that. So you plug this in to charge your phone, right? Not to share connections or anything like that. It doesn't connect to the hub. Now on the next one, the secondary cable that they give you, they even give you light it up, so you don't really need the instructions here. This one actually has to go to the power. So this actually connects in here, and in fact there's a little label here. It tells you B to B. So the cable is labeled B to B. So you plug it in here, type C. It could go either way, so it's versatile. Then this part, the next part, you do have to plug it into the charger. So this is important. This is where you actually plug this in. All right, this one B goes plugged in here. Now the next one is very important because it tells you right here exactly here. Type 3.0 connects to the computer, and you see the little logo. It has a little computer here, and there's a little logo here, computer. So you plug it in there. Don't miss that one. That's kind of important. It's a little dark in here, but it's important. Plug it in, and that's it. You can follow the instructions, or you can follow the directions from the picture. So pretty much. So if you lose the directions, try not to remove the label so you can understand how to get back in there. And just this one that's loose right here, it's just not for anything else but to charge. That's pretty much what it is. On the outside, you're going to be able to share stuff here and also charge things at the same time. So let's go put it together. All right, so we got it all set up. The monitor, nice and slick, and here's a charging station here, and we're gonna go ahead and place an iPhone on the charging station here. So we're gonna go ahead and put an iPhone here. Oops, we'll put an iPhone right here, if you guys can see it on the charging station, and we just gotta find the connection. There it is. And if you can see, it starts charging right now. It says it's charging, so we can just leave it plug in, and it's going to continue to charge. This station is all set up. This is the actual computer that we're going to set up. You can plug in anything you want on this stuff to charge stations too, and of course we have the extra type C here on the bottom to charge anything. This, you cannot share anything. It's only for charging. You can share anything and plug in your headsets. You can set up any USB transfer, SSDs, anything you have. You can power things up to, it's 3.0. It's also giving power, and we're plugged into a regular USB 2.0. So it should be equal with the power and the USB. It should be charging the whole system. So we're good right here. Phone's charging. Let me move it around so you guys can see it. Phone, put it in there, and it starts charging again. Just make sure you take it out the case. Sometimes it's too thick for it, that it won't charge. So if you have any questions or any comments, I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.